Hello everybody, wherever you are, welcome back to Swahili from Zero. Welcome back to Swahili from Zero. And today I'm gonna teach you about how to greet people in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening in Swahili language. It's so easy if you follow the steps. Welcome. How do we greet people in the morning? In the morning, when you meet someone, say, habari za asubuhi. Habari za asubuhi. Can you repeat after me? Habari za asubuhi. Can you repeat again? Habari za asubuhi. Habari za asubuhi means how is morning? How is morning? Now, how do you respond when someone says habari za asubuhi? Okay? Now, when someone says habari za asubuhi, respond by saying ni nzuri. Say with me, ni nzuri. Say again with me, ni nzuri. Ni nzuri means it's good. Ni nzuri means it's good. Now, in the afternoon, you have to greet people by saying habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Can you repeat after me? Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. This means how is afternoon. How do you respond to that? It's so easy. You simply say ni nzuri, which means it's good. Ni nzuri. Can you repeat after me? Ni nzuri. Ni nzuri. So you simply say ni nzuri. Habari za mchana. Ni nzuri kaka. How is afternoon? It's good, brother. Okay, so that is in the afternoon. What about in the evening? Now that you know how to greet people in the morning and in the afternoon, let me teach you how to greet people in the evening. Now that you know how to greet people in the morning and in the afternoon, let me teach you how to greet people in the evening. Evening is jioni. Evening is jioni. So, when greeting people in the evening, simply say habari za jioni. Habari za jioni. This means how is evening? How is evening? Can you guess how to respond to that? I guess you got it correct. You simply say ni nzuri. Ni nzuri. Ni nzuri. Ni nzuri means it's good. Ni nzuri means it's good. Well, in all three greetings, some people may respond by saying salama. 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 So, habari za asubuhi. Salama. Salama means It's safe. 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 It is safe. Ni salama. It is safe. It's safe. Thank you very much for listening. See you once again.